Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me JSN back again with another video. Yes guys, I know I have been missing, but you know I'm here today and I do have this really detailed treatment that I really wanted to share with you guys. Today, by the title, you should see that today's video is all about the gelatin hair treatment. And guys, I am a testimonial of this treatment, honey. I watched this treatment on Natural 85's channel. I can definitely link the video down below, and I tried this like a month ago and it really helped, guys. So what is it? Is the gelatin hair treatment, and within the gelatin hair treatment there's hydrolyzed protein. If you know the most one of the most popular brands, the Afro-G hair treatment, it is what really makes up, you know, this hydrolyzed, actually hydrolyzed protein. So the gelatin itself is a hydrolyzed protein as well, which is actually a cheaper method in actually doing and having your hair treatment done at home for a cheaper price. I'm saying cheaper, right? So you can save some coins, honey. I'm here to save some coins with y'all, and I decided to do this for you guys. All right, I'm going to show you guys today everything regarding how to make this treatment at home and how to actually apply it to your hair. If you realize I'm looking a bit crazy, guys, it's because today's actually wash day, right? So I'm gonna be doing this treatment today once more, and actually I'm gonna do it for you guys. So if you want to see how I did this treatment, how it works, how it is applied, how to do it, guys, I do have it for you. So stay tuned to this video. Hold up, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe in this video if you really did appreciate something. If you tried the method and it worked for you, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment down below, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. All right, so thank you so much, guys, again for tuning in, and stay tuned for the deets. Peace. Alright guys, so we're going to be using our Knox unflavored gelatin. This is a Knox brand. There are various brands out there, but I prefer to use this Knox brand. It comes in sachets. Also, I'm going to be using the Spectrum Organic Apple Cider Vinegar. Yes, that's what we'll be using today. I'll be just adding my L'Oreal Paris Everpure conditioner, moisture conditioner. It helps with, you know, making the hair a bit softer. Since gelatin is going to make it a bit stiff, I'll now have my applicator bottle. You want to have that because it sometimes get a bit messy, and you want to ensure that you have something to control all of that. You're also going to need some hot water. That's my kettle over there, a little bowl, and a fork to basically mix and dissolve your gelatin. Alright, so that's basically what is needed for this, guys. And it's now to basically get into it. I'm just gonna add like a cup or a cup and a half of the hot water, right? You have to ensure that the water is hot. Also, now I'm going to be adding my Knox gelatin, the sachet. Just open the packet and throw it in there. Afterwards, just, you know, just stir it with my fork until it's a bit dissolved. You know, want everything to dissolve fully, so that we can proceed with adding everything else. But you want the gelatin to be fully dissolved when you're doing this, right, guys? Also, I'll be now using my apple cider vinegar, just getting a cork full of that and threw that into the mixture. And again, the apple cider vinegar is very crucial to this, as it helps with, you know, balancing the pH of the hair as well. I'll be using my L'Oreal again conditioner to add a bit moisture to the hair as to prevent it from the stiffness, you know, as well. That's optional though. You can add the conditioner whether or not you like, and just mix everything together and have my applicator bottle ready to use. Alright, now guys, so it's actually time to apply my, don't mind me looking crazy, okay? Alright, so it's actually time to apply the gelatin to my hair. Alright, so the gelatin, to apply it, guys, it's a bit messy. Alright, so you want to ensure that you cover yourself with as much towel to protect yourself, because it's gonna get messy. So I'm gonna go section by section. It's best when you section the hair, so that you see, you know, section my hair. Okay, so they were making noise. Alright, so actually, guys, so I'm going to apply it now, and actually want to ensure that your hair is sectioned. It makes it easier to apply. You want to start at the roots, apply it to the roots. Well, yeah, so once you start applying, guys, the hair is gonna get a bit stiff, so you want to ensure that you just quickly apply it and leave it, all right, because you don't want any breakage when you're applying it and it gets stiff. So you want to focus on, you know, you can apply it to your roots as well. Just twist it back after I've applied it to ensure that, you know, I leave it out of the way. So once it starts to get stiff, you want to leave it alone so it prevents breakage on the hair. So I normally put it all over the hair because I wanted to get each part, each section, each hair strand, honey. Okay? So I normally try to cover as much hair as I can because I want to ensure that I get everything is coated and all of that good stuff. And remember guys, you want to ensure that you're applying this to clean hair. I think I forgot to mention that. So whenever you're doing this treatment, you want to ensure that you wash the hair. If you're deciding to shampoo, co-wash, etc., just ensure that the hair is washed, it's clean, and then you apply your treatment. Okay guys, I think I forgot to tell you that, so I'm going to ensure that I do tell you, honey. Just ensure that you're applying your gelatin treatment to a clean surface. Alright guys, so I finished applying my gelatin hair treatment. I'm gonna let it sit in my hair for about 10 to 20 minutes. It's gonna get stiff, it's gonna get hard, you know, after it starts drying and stuff. It actually start getting stiff right now. So you're gonna let it sit for a while. You don't need to put a, you know, heat cap over it or anything. Just let the hair just go and just let it breathe for a little bit for the 10-20 minutes that you're gonna leave it in there for, and then you're gonna wash it out, right? So when you're washing it, you want to allow the water to flow through the hair to allow the stiffness to, you know, get a little soft, and then you can touch your hair. So don't touch the hair until it actually gets soft. Let the water flow through the hair, run through the hair until it softens the hair on its own, and then you can actually start just, you know, using your hand to just wash it out a bit. All right guys, so this is what my hair looks like after I've rinsed out the hair treatment in from the hair. This is what it actually looks like. I don't know if you guys can see, but like my curls, they're actually popping. I don't know if you guys can see clearly. You can see my curls are there like they've never been there before. You know what I'm saying? My curls are popping. So this is just like anything that you can actually do with your hair. You don't do it often. You can do it once every 2 months, once every month, depending on how much your hair needs it. But I'm telling you guys, this is good. So what I'm gonna do now guys, I'm gonna use this Hollywood Beauty coconut cholesterol. Yeah, so it moisturizes the hair basically. So remember when I told you that after using the gelatin hair treatment, you're going to need to actually deep condition the hair. So I'm going to use this coconut cholesterol basically to bring back that softness, that moisture to my hair as well, because the hair is stiff, the curls are back, it's bouncy, but it's a bit crisp. So you want the hair to be a bit soft, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to just use this and apply it to different sections of my hair and leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then that can work. This is what the texture feels like. I don't know if you guys can actually see, but it's a creamy texture, mushy, creamy kind of texture. So you just apply it to the hair. On guys, I'm just to leave it for 10 minutes, you know, just let your hair soften, taking that moisture, and then wash it out, and I'll be back, honey. So okay guys, so this is the finished product. Basically I just rinsed out the deep conditioning treatment that I had in my hair just a while ago, the coconut cholesterol that I showed to you guys, and this is a finished product. I can tell you guys it's still wet, it's still damp, but my hair feels really great. I'm telling you, you know, my curls are popping. I don't know if you guys can see it clearly, but like, honey, look at those curls. Look at those curls, you know. So it really works, guys. I can tell you it does. My hair feels amazing. But I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I definitely enjoyed, you know, creating this for you guys. So if you enjoyed it and you did try this treatment, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and most of all, go ahead and join the Essence fam, okay guys? So thank you again for tuning in, and see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye guys.